Start your child's ICAN accounting career path with an O-level result. Do you have a child who wants to become an accountant but has not gained admission into the university yet? Instead of wasting another year at home because of JAMB exam, why not give your child an edge by helping him or her to start an accounting career path with just O-level? Yes, your child can start his or her ICAN career path with just an O-level result through the Accounting Technician Scheme West Africa (ATSWA). The Accounting Technician Scheme West Africa (ATSWA) program is designed by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria (ICAN) to produce middle-level accounting technicians within the West African sub-region. AAT certificate is awarded upon successful completing the Accounting Technician Scheme of West Africa (ATSWA) examination. After ATSWA, your child will move to ICAN skill level, which is the second level to become a chartered accountant, and thereafter to ICAN professional level, which is the final level of becoming a chartered accountant. Even if your child gains admission to the university before completing the ATSWA or ICAN program, he or she can continue while in the university and become a chartered accountant even before graduating from the university. Isn't that great? For details on how your child can register and pass ATSWA exam with ease, click the link below.